Good morning, students. Welcome to my next video class. Today's topic is noun. Students, suppose dog. Dog is a faithful animal. You know better. Next one is table. This table is very beautiful. This table is very good. Like this. Man. Man is mortal. You know all. Girl. Girl is very intelligent. Girl is very beautiful. So like this. So students, all these words are naming words. Naming words are called noun. You know better, all these words are naming words and naming words are called nouns. So students, exercise, underline the noun in the following sentences. The girl goes to school every day. The girl goes to school every day. Next one, the tiger is hungry. Third one is, the boys go out to play. Next one, the cow eats grasses. Next, a monkey eats bananas. So my dear students, we find out noun in this sentence. So let us underline girls, because girls is naming word. So we can say that girls is noun. Next one is tiger. Tiger is also noun because tiger is a naming word. Boys are noun. Cow is also a noun. Monkey is also noun. Banana is also a noun because all these words are naming words. So we can say that all naming words are called noun. So students, read carefully. Things you see in your classroom. आप जब क्लास में होते हो क्या क्या चीज को देखते हो क्लास में? Think more. I will give time. Think more. Yes, blackboard. Firstly, we see blackboard. So we can say that what? Blackboard is used for writing. Blackboard is used for writing. Next one, chalk. Every students know better what is chalk and what is the use of chalk. So we can say, we can write chalk is used for writing on the blackboard. You know, chalk is used for writing on the blackboard. Books. Next word is books. So we can say that these books are very interesting. We can say that these books are very interesting. Next one is fan. Every students look fan. So we can say we feel cool under a fan. जब भी हम पंखे के नीचे आते हैं, स्विच ऑन करते हैं, तो हमें ठंडक महसूस होती है. You know. So students, next word is chair. Everyone look chair. So we can write, we can say there is only one chair in the class. There is only one chair in the class. If two chairs are there, so we can use are. So students, next one is desk. So we can say, we can write, students are sitting on the desk. We can say students are sitting on the desk. Students, next one is duster. Also, you can say what is the use of duster. So we can say duster is used for erasing blackboard because your teacher always erase the blackboard with the help of duster. So students, these words are called nouns. I hope so you understood well. These words are called noun because all naming words are called noun. Students, noun is two types, countable and uncountable. जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं उसे काउंटेबल कहते हैं, जिसको हम नहीं गिन सकते हैं उसे अनकाउंटेबल कहते हैं. नो बेटर. रीड दिस सेंटेंस गिवन बिलो. द गर्ल इज ईटिंग एन एप्पल. द गर्ल इज ईटिंग एन एप्पल एंड दैट मीन्स वन. एक, इसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. द गर्ल इज ईटिंग एन एप्पल. द गर्ल एट 2 एप्पल्स. खा चुकी है 2 सेब, इसको भी हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. द गर्ल एट 2 एप्पल्स. नेक्स्ट वन, द बॉटल इज फुल ऑफ वाटर. पानी भरा हुआ है बॉटल में, बट उस वाटर को हम काउंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. फुल ऑफ वाटर कह सकते हैं. द बॉटल इज फुल ऑफ वाटर. द बॉटल्स आर फुल ऑफ वाटर्स बिकॉज बॉटल्स की गिनती हो रही है. बॉटल है, एक बोतल हो गया. बॉटल्स है, बहुत सारा बॉटल्स हो गया. तो पानी का भरा हुआ बॉटल्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं बट वाटर्स को नहीं, पानी को नहीं गिन सकते हैं. सो इन द above sentences, apple and water are naming words. We can count apples but we cannot count water. Earlier I say we cannot count water. Nouns can be either countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are those that refers to something that can be counted. हम उसी को countable noun कहेंगे जिसको कि हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, गिनती कर सकते हैं. So students, definition is countable nouns are things we can count. Examples: orange, tiger, books, mobile phone, copy, pen, pencil, etc. So uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. Example: rain, powder, air, water, milk, liquid, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. So all these minerals we cannot count. So students, I hope so you understood well which is countable and which is uncountable. So students, you remember at home and look anywhere and search for countable things and uncountable things. I hope so you find at your home so many countable and uncountable things. So I suggest you students, you at home, you search any uncountable things and write these names in your copy and search countable things. This also you write in your copy and make a chart. After that you understood well which types of noun is countable, which types of noun is uncountable. So my dear students, thank you today. I will meet you next video class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.